What if Uranus collided with Earth? It's a question straight out of science fiction, but let's imagine the unimaginable. In this video, we'll explore the physics, the chaos, and the aftermath of such a catastrophic event. What would happen to our planet, its inhabitants, and the solar system itself? Let's break it down step by step. To understand this scenario, let's start with the basics. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun, a gas giant nearly 4 times wider than Earth. It's mostly composed of hydrogen, helium, and icy materials like water, ammonia, and methane, with a mass 14.5 times that of Earth and a diameter of about 50,000 kilometers. Uranus is no small player in the solar system. Interestingly, Uranus has an extreme axial tilt of 98 degrees, which makes it spin almost sideways. Earth, by comparison, is tiny, a rocky planet with a diameter of about 12,742 kilometers. Now imagine these two vastly different worlds on a collision course. What kind of cosmic dance would lead to such an event? For this scenario, let's assume a rogue gravitational force or an interstellar event propels Uranus out of its orbit and toward Earth. As Uranus closes in, the gravitational forces would begin to wreak havoc. Earth's orbit around the Sun would destabilize, pulling it closer or farther from the Sun depending on the trajectory. Tidal forces would cause massive earthquakes and tsunamis across the planet, disrupting life long before the actual impact. The closer Uranus gets, the more it would disrupt Earth's magnetosphere, the protective shield that blocks harmful solar radiation. Radiation levels would spike, devastating ecosystems and making survival on the surface nearly impossible. When Uranus finally collides with Earth, the impact would be beyond catastrophic. At their relative sizes and speeds, the energy released would be equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs detonating simultaneously. The collision would obliterate Earth's surface, vaporizing entire continents within seconds. The atmosphere would be stripped away, leaving no chance for any form of life to survive. Uranus, being a gas giant, would likely lose much of its gaseous layers during the impact. What remains might merge with Earth's core, creating an entirely new planetary body or a massive debris field in orbit around the Sun. The aftermath of this collision would reshape the solar system. Debris from the impact would scatter across the inner planets, potentially forming a new asteroid belt. These fragments could pose additional risks to neighboring planets like Mars or Venus. Meanwhile, the Sun's gravitational pull would eventually stabilize the debris, but the solar system would never be the same. The loss of Earth would also mean the loss of its unique biodiversity and the only known harbor of intelligent life. So could Uranus actually collide with Earth? The short answer is almost certainly not. Uranus is locked in a stable orbit about 2.9 billion kilometers away from us. The odds of such a catastrophic event are astronomically low, literally.
A collision of this magnitude would require an incredibly unlikely series of events like a rogue star or massive gravitational force disrupting the outer planet's orbits.
While this scenario is purely hypothetical, it highlights the fragility of our planet and the vastness of space. Events like asteroid impacts and orbital shifts, though rare, are real threats to planetary stability. Studying such scenarios helps scientists understand the dynamics of celestial collisions and the importance of planetary defense systems. The idea of Uranus colliding with Earth may belong to the realm of science fiction, but it underscores an important truth. Our place in the universe is both unique and precarious. Protecting our planet and understanding the cosmos are vital for ensuring humanity's survival. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the cosmos. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-blowing science content. Until next time, keep wondering about the universe.